This is a future artist who are mental singer, the either open for rent or breaking or they breaking. That is possibly what is happening here. We'll be giving you each and every step, but 50%.